question 29. With his room-size installation unicorn My Private Sky, Norwegian artist Børre Sæthre succeeds in creating a whimsical yet perplexing experience. Our second idea goes, when visitors set foot inside the fantastically blue room and encounter a life-sized stuffed unicorn preening at the far end of it, they're both dazzled and confused. Dazzled and confused. So our second idea seems like it's a continuation. It's a similar idea from whimsical yet perplexing experience. That second is going to be chronological order. That gives additional information. We can have this. Instead is something that contradicts with choice the first idea, so we can have that. Okay. Now what does indeed do is indeed amplifies when you do A, indeed B, then this idea amplifies or emphasizes A, as you can see in choice, as you can see in this particular sentence. This Norwegian artist created something that was whimsical yet perplexing, and the visitors, when they actually set their foot inside, they found it to be dazzled and confused, just like what the artist intended. So the answer choice C indeed is our correct.